Hello, in this video we're gonna replace the battery of this Asus laptop. The model is X540L. We're gonna open it, we're gonna replace the battery, and we're gonna replace the regular hard drive with the SSD drive. So let's start. Basically we have to remove all the screws on the back. After that we're gonna flip the laptop, and the upper plastic with the keyboard should be removed, and we'll have an access to the battery and to the hard drive. Let's start. The screws on the bottom are the same size, but they are a little shorter compared with the other ones, so just be careful with that. Now we're gonna flip the laptop, and we have to separate the two parts. Use something sharp. Now after separating, just lift it a little bit, because here we have the connector for the touchpad and for the keyboard. You can use a tweezer in order to disconnect the cables, like this. Once we remove the keyboard, to have a full access to the board. If you like, you can clean the fan. It's held by one screw here, but this one is relatively clean. We're gonna tighten the hinges since we already opened the laptop. Now we have to disconnect the battery. This is a original battery, so I don't think it's been removed before. We just have to slide it backwards. We'll try to do that without removing the board. Let's see. Yeah, like this. It's with a double-sided tape, I think, on the back. Yeah, on this side. Just lift it from the back, and the battery should be out. Now for the hard drive, we have one screw here. In this case, we're gonna use this Apacer hard drive. It's with a very decent read-write speed, so there'll be definitely a change after replacing it. Now we have to put everything back together. Let's put the new battery. In this case it's a green cell. Let's see, do we have the right battery actually? This one is a little bit longer, so we'll have to cut this plastic a little bit. And just to be sure that the battery won't go anywhere, we're gonna put a double-sided tape on the back. It has screws here, but just in case. Now let's try again. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, like this. Now we have to put the keyboard back. Just tilt the laptop a little bit and just connect it. It's not that hard. You can use the tweezers. It's very hard to show you and to do it at the same time. Like this. Like this. Let's see, does the battery have a charge? We're gonna try and enter BIOS. Yeah, as you can see, the battery is working. The hard drive is recognized. So the only thing I gotta do now is just reinstall the Windows. And basically that's how you replace a battery and a hard drive on this Asus model. It's pretty much the same for the similar series. So I hope you like the video. That's it for now. Bye bye.